Hi everyone. In our previous video, we discussed in detail the process or steps you need to follow after receiving the passport request or the ready for visa email. In this video, I'll show you how to raise a request in the VFS Global website to book a two-way courier to submit your passport for visa stamping. Please note that all the information in this video is based on my own experience and I am not an immigration lawyer or a consultant. Let's get started. In your Google search bar, search for VFS Global web form. Click on the first search link that appears, which says VFS web form. This will take you to the VFS Global web form submission page where you can submit a request to send your passport via a two-way courier service. Please read all the instructions given here. You need to submit your passport within 30 days of receiving your passport request email. Once you click on proceed, you can select one of these options. Once you click on the two-way courier service, you need to select your visa category. The first category is for family class, which is the spousal sponsorship or parents and grandparents sponsorship. And the next one is the permanent residence. Next one is study permit and work permit. The next one is for the permanent resident travel document. So I will select the first option here. Did you enroll biometrics for this application? If you have enrolled for biometrics, you should select yes. Otherwise, you should say no. In most cases, you would have enrolled for biometrics. So let's say yes here. And then the location at which you have enrolled for biometrics. So you need to select which location you have enrolled. I'm going to select one location here. And then under the number of applicants, you need to select the number of applicants that are included with this submission. So this includes the primary applicant as well as any accompanying dependents. For example, here I'm going to select 2 as the number of applicants. And then the note here says, for all the applicants, enter address should be the same. If the address is different, then you need to raise different web forms for each of the applicants. Is the address same for all applicants? I'm going to say yes. Now, not all the pin codes are serviceable for the passport pickup or delivery. So you need to check if your pin code is serviceable by the courier partner. So enter your pin code. I'm entering a random pin code here. If your pin code is serviceable, then you can continue by entering your address. So I'm going to enter a random address here. And then select the state. Selecting a random state here. and then you need to enter the name of the applicant, and then you need to enter the application number, which you can find in your online IRCC account or in your passport request email, and then your email address, and then the applicant's contact number, an applicant's date of birth. I'm selecting a random date. If you have opted for the premium lounge service when you went for biometrics at the VFS Global, then you need to select yes, otherwise you need to select no. So I'm selecting no here. And then if you want the paid SMS service, you can say yes, otherwise you can say no. So I'm saying no here. Now here you need to upload the copy of your passport request email that you received from IRCC. In order to do this, you need to save the passport request email that you received in a PDF format in your local system, and you can upload that copy here. I already saved a copy of the Ready for Visa email that I received. So I just uploaded that email here. And then in the table here, you will notice the name of the applicant and the charges for the courier. You can click on next and add the next applicant. After clicking next, it will ask you to enter the details of the second applicant. You have to enter the same details here. The application number would be same as the primary applicant. And then it automatically populated the email address that I entered for the primary applicant, as well as the contact number. Enter the date of birth. For the premium lounge question, I'm saying no. And for the SMS service, I again say no. You will notice the details of the second applicant populated here, and you'll see the total charges for the courier service. Go ahead and upload the Ready for Visa email. I already saved a copy of the Ready for Visa email, so I'm uploading the same here. And then click continue. You have to enter the CAPTCHA. Select acknowledge, and I agree and give my consent. And hit submit. Once you click on submit, it will ask you to enter the billing information. So you have to enter your address, and it will ask you for the payment information. You can opt for either credit card or debit card or net banking. You will receive a confirmation email from VFS Global that your passport submission request has been received, and your package will be picked up within 3 to 5 working days. You will also find some instructions that you need to follow and two forms that you will need to fill and submit along with your passport. One is a consent form. The other one is a courier request form. You have to enter your details, such as your name and address, and this will be used by the courier partner for pickup and delivery of your package.